Assalamu alaikum students, hope you are well. In last class we learn about mixture and its types. Today we solve the tag question, Test Yourself 1.2. Now we start our class with the name of Allah, which is most beneficent and the most merciful. If you are new to my channel, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay, first question is Q number 1. Can you identify mixture, element or compound of the following? Coca-Cola, petroleum, sugar, table salt, blood, gunpowder, urine, aluminium, silicon, tin lime and ice cream. Answer. Coca-Cola is the mixture. Explanation. Coca-Cola is a carbonated soft drink that contains several ingredients. While the exact recipe for Coca-Cola is a closely guarded secret, its ingredients typically include carbonated water, high fructose corn syrup, or sugar in some countries, caramel color, phosphoric acid, natural flavors, and caffeine. It may also contain trace amounts of other ingredients such as citric acid and preservatives. The specific formulation can vary slightly depending on the country and regional preferences. Petroleum. Petroleum is also a mixture. Because petroleum is a complex mixture of hydrocarbons, which are compounds made up of hydrogen and carbon atoms. The composition of petroleum can vary, but it primarily consists of different types of hydrocarbons such as alkanes, cycloalkanes, aromatic hydrocarbons, and small amounts of other compounds like sulfur, nitrogen, and oxygen-containing compounds. Sugar. Sugar is compound because compound is a substance made up of two or more elements chemically combined together in a fixed ratio by mass. So, sugar in its pure form is considered a compound. The most common type of sugar, known as sucrose, is a compound made up of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen atoms arranged in a specific molecular structure. And the molecular formula is C12 hydrogen oxide. Table salt. Table salt is also a compound because sodium and chlorine combine in a fixed ratio to form table salt, and molecular formula is sodium chloride. Blood. Blood is a mixture because blood consists of red blood cells, erythrocytes, white blood cells, leukocytes, platelets, thrombocytes, plasma, and other substances like dissolved gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide, nutrients like glucose and amino acids, hormones, enzymes, waste products, and various other substances necessary for the proper functioning of the body. Gunpowder. Gunpowder is mixture. Gunpowder, also known as black powder, is a mixture of three main components: sulfur, charcoal, and potassium nitrate, also known as saltpeter. These ingredients are combined in specific proportions to create gunpowder. The sulfur acts as a fuel, the charcoal provides carbon, and the potassium nitrate serves as an oxidizer. The proportions of these ingredients can vary depending on the desired properties and application of the gunpowder. Urine. Urine is a complex mixture of various substances, primarily composed of water along with dissolved waste products, ions, and organic compounds. Here are some of the main components found in urine. 1. Water. The largest component of urine is water, which typically makes up about 95% of its volume. 2. Urea. Urea is a waste product resulting from the breakdown of proteins in the body. It is the primary organic component of urine and contributes to its characteristic odor. 3. Uric acid. Uric acid is another waste product that forms when the body breaks down purines, which are found in certain foods. Excess uric acid can lead to conditions like gout. 4. Creatinine. Creatinine is a waste product produced by the muscles during metabolism. It is filtered out by the kidneys and excreted in urine. 5. Salts and ions. Urine contains various salts and ions, including sodium, potassium, chloride, calcium, and magnesium. These ions play important roles in maintaining the body's electrolyte balance. 6. Ammonia. Ammonia is a byproduct of protein metabolism and is excreted in urine. Urobilin. Urobilin is a yellow pigment formed from the breakdown of bilirubin, a waste product of red blood cell metabolism. It gives urine its yellow color. Aluminium. Aluminium is an element and it is represented by Al. Silicon. Silicon is an element and its symbol is C. Tin. Tin is an element. Tin is represented by the chemical symbol Sn, derived from its Latin name, stannum. Lime. Lime is a compound because it is formed by combination of two elements, calcium and oxygen, and its molecular formula is Sau. Ice cream. Ice cream is a mixture. Ice cream typically consists of a few basic ingredients. Dairy. The primary ingredient in ice cream is milk or cream. It provides the creamy texture and richness. Whole milk, heavy cream, or a combination of both can be used. Sugar. Sweetness is added to ice cream using sugar or a sweetener. It helps balance the flavors and also contributes to the texture of the ice cream by lowering the freezing point. Flavorings. Various flavorings are added to give ice cream its distinct taste. Common flavorings include vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, mint, coffee, or fruit extracts. These flavor in the form of natural extracts, powders, or syrups. Cue number 2. How can you justify that air is a homogeneous mixture? Identify substances present in it. Air is a homogeneous because its components are evenly mixed with each other. Air is commonly described as a homogeneous mixture, and this can be demonstrated through several lines of evidence and observations. Uniform composition. Air is composed of various gases, primarily nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and trace amounts of other gases. These gases are distributed uniformly throughout the atmosphere, creating a consistent composition of air. This uniformity can be observed globally, regardless of the location or altitude. Okay, next question is Q-3. Name the element represented by the following symbols: Hg, O, Fe, Ni, company, W, Sn, Na, Ba, bridge, Bi. Ans. Hg, mercury, hydrargyrum. O, gold, aurum. Fe, iron, ferrum. Ni, nickel. Co, cobalt. W, tungsten, wolfram. Sn, tin, stannum. Na, sodium, natrium. Ba, barium. Bridge, bromine. Bi, bismuth. Cue number 4. Name the solid, a liquid and a gaseous element that exist at room temperature. Ans. The element that exists as a solid, liquid, and gas at room temperature is mercury, Hg. Mercury is a unique element because it has a very low melting point, -38.83 degrees Celsius, and a low boiling point, 356.7 degrees Celsius, which allows it to be in a liquid state at room temperature, around 25 degrees Celsius. Now we move toward last question. Q-5. Which elements do the following compound contain? Sugar. Carbon, hydrogen and oxygen C12 hydrogen oxide. Common salt. Sodium and chlorine sodium chloride. Lime water. Calcium and oxygen Sao. Chalk. Calcium, carbon and oxygen CaCO3. Okay students, here our today's lecture is done. I hope you understand this class, but if you have any query, write in comment section. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Inshallah we learn more in our next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz, fi iman Allah.